Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for today's video because I feel like it's a topic that a lot of us can relate to. I am a comfy clothes girl. Sweatpants and hoodies are my jam, but unfortunately, sometimes I have to go out in public. And I want to look somewhat socially presentable. Now I could put on pants, but I could, but why would I want to? I have compiled some tricks and tips on how to make your comfy clothes cute and presentable in public. So that's today's video. I'm going to share with you guys some ways that I still feel comfy and cozy, but people don't think that I haven't showered in a week when they see me outside. So if you want to learn some tips on how to still be comfy but also cute, then keep on watching. Okay, so here's a good example of what I would typically wear in my house. Just like a huge baggy sweatshirt and some really comfy sweatpants that has some words on the booty, navy and black, but I don't care because I'm in my house. But I'm a 27-year-old woman and I probably shouldn't be outside with words on my bum. That's just kind of like a good rule to live by. These puppies are just for my husband's eyes only. So when I want to still feel cozy and feel like I'm wearing this, but I want to go outside and not look like I just woke up or haven't showered in a week. You know, if I want to look somewhat presentable but still have this cozy feeling, here's what I do. Tip number 1, knit pants. Get yourself a pair or a few of some knit pants because these are amazing. So we're gonna lose the sweatpants in exchange for some knit pants. Now, as you can see, these are already kind of more form-fitting than sweatpants, but they are still so cozy, the same feeling as sweatpants. Okay, so we fixed our pants. Now we still look kind of baggy. So we're going to fix the top up a little bit. Now I personally don't mind a good crew neck like this one. University Maine, I think it's cute, but it is a size large and it is kind of baggy. So here's my little trick to make these types of sweatshirts kind of fit a little bit better. Now if you go to Goodwill or go thrifting and you find a cool sweater and it's just way too long and you want it to permanently be cropped, a good option could just be to actually crop it with some scissors. I like this sweatshirt long, so I'm not going to permanently crop it. The other option, usually when I'm thinking, okay, how can I lift a item of clothing or crop it without actually cutting it, I will tuck it. The problem with tucking comfy clothes is that it just looks weird, right? You can't really tuck into knit pants. It just doesn't really work. So here's my trick for how I crop my sweaters without actually cropping them or tucking them. I wear a long lined sports bra and I just take the very end of my sweatshirt, just kind of the front of it. I don't usually go all the way around, but just the front. And I tuck in the very ends to that sports bra, and then since the sweatshirt's so long, it just drapes down past my tummy still, but it makes it look cropped but not tucked in, so you don't get that weird bulge, but it looks less frumpy and baggy. You could also roll the sleeves up if you want a little bit, just to kind of make it look more form-fitting. And this is still a super casual outfit, but it looks a little bit more put together than really frumpy. I would totally wear this outside if I still wanted to be comfy but needed to run some errands and didn't want to look like a complete mess. Good option. Now, if you want to go one step further and not wear a crew neck sweatshirt, if you want to make it look a little more put together, we're going to trade that sweatshirt out for an actual sweater. Now again, this sweater is the comfiest thing ever, but as you can see, it is pretty long. So I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to tuck the end of it into my sports bra. Already so much better. Just that simple little tuck makes all the difference. Now I really like this outfit because it kind of looks like a two-toned set. I don't have a two-piece set, so I'm just taking pieces of clothing that I already have and trying to make it look like they go together. I have my tan knit pants and like this cream sweater. I could go out just like this and I would feel totally good to go. We've got that kind of comfy, beachy, boho vibe going on. But if I wanted to add something extra to really tell people that I meant to wear this, I'm gonna throw on this cute felt hat, and now it's an outfit. You can even add a bag with it. Now when I'm walking down the street, people won't be like, oh yeah, she just rolled out of bed. They'll think, wow, that looks like a cute, comfy outfit. I feel like accessories really do go a long way in making it look like you put some effort into your outfit when you really didn't. Okay, moving on from knit pants, black leggings are another thing that I wear all the time when I'm feeling like I just want to be comfy. And these I feel like are something that most everybody has in their wardrobe. So if I still want to wear these but still want to be comfy when I'm outside, here's how I spruce these up a little bit. Okay, so one thing that I do a lot is I grab kind of a nicer casual t-shirt, if that makes sense. Not like your grungy old PE t-shirt that we all still have, but like a nicer kind of trendy casual t-shirt. I also like trying to find one that is slightly cropped because most of my leggings are like high-waisted leggings. So finding one that is kind of cropped a little bit won't drown you. So I just went with this cute little Levi's t-shirt. This is super casual. Now if you want to go one step further, add a jean jacket. A jean jacket will be your best friend when you're going for like the athleisure look, right? Still got your leggings, your comfy t-shirt, you add just like a little jean jacket and now it looks like a well put together outfit. Again, add some little sneakers, maybe a ball cap. This is cute and very casual. Okay, and then the last thing that I wanted to share when you need to look a little more dressy but still just want to be in your sweatpants, grab a sweater skirt. I swear this skirt has like saved me this winter, especially when I've been going to church. There are actually a lot of really cute like sweater and skirt knit sets. Again, I don't have one of those, so I just kind of make do with what I have and make it look like it's supposed to be a nice set. So I have this tan sweater. So again, I don't like really want to just leave it down like this because that doesn't look good. And like I've said before, I don't really like tucking into knits because you get that weird bulge right here. So I still have my bra on, so I can do that way, just a little tucky in right there, so it looks like that. Or sometimes with these knit sets, I like to just kind of tie a little front knot in my sweater. And this, for me at least, only works with these light sweaters, being able to tuck it into like this little knot like this. And then again, you can grab your felt hat, and this is just a super cute outfit. With this, I would wear like some black combat boots, I think would be cool, or some just like heeled boots. It's still super comfy and cozy, and you're practically in sweats, but you don't look like you are. And my last tip, if you want to wear a bigger sweater with the skirt and you don't want to like tuck it into a bra, here's another option. You just take a belt and put it around your waist, and then you just kind of cinch your sweater up over the belt until you like the look of it, and this just kind of helps crop it some. I really like it this way too, because then like if you raise your arms up or something happens and then your crop flips up, instead of seeing like your shirt tucked into your bra or you see your stomach, you just get a glimpse of like a cute little belt. So yeah, that is another way that I like cropping some stuff. Okay, so that's it for this video. Now you guys know all my tricks and tips. Now we can all be cozy outside and everyone will think that we actually put effort into our outfits. Joke's on them. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and hit that subscribe button to become part of my little family here on YouTube. And I will see you guys next time with a new video. Bye!